This could be the car for you. The 2019 Kia Stinger. With less than 35,000 miles on the... Here's a high-performance Stinger, the competition hatchback with a penchant for luxurious comfort. Smooth adrenaline-pumping power, aerodynamic lines, advanced safety and connectivity systems, driver assist tech, and multiple drive modes make this exceptional 5-door compact simply irresistible. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: V6 cylinder engine, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Life is, in fact, a daring adventure. Drive it to the fullest. Come in and road test this high-performance Stinger. Our team will make it the best part of your day.